Hello friends, we are going to start today new chapter regarding the object tracking with YOLO V5 custom object detection model for detecting and count tracking of coconuts with the dynamic flowing of in a conveyor. For this, I am using these types of video, but you can use uh, the real time also. This should be work in even in uh, any type of objects. This very fast moving coconut is I am using here. For that, I am using this repository of the long DB95 repository of YOLO V5. For this, he, we have used, he has used this Michael Blossom object tracking YOLO uh, repository of DeepSORT. So for first you can use to git clone the repository to your PC, and you can start. The first one is you have to create a YOLO V5 model. For that you have to use this YOLO V5 repository for the training of custom object detection model. So for that you can use several types of 5N, 5S, 5M, 5L, like several types of models for creating, but I have used 5N model because in real time it will be when you use 5N model, if you the result of precision will be speed. So I have used it, but for the accuracy wise it will be get more accuracy with the higher models. So the next part is here is to get this. I have used this of this YOLO V5 collab using here, clicking here. I have used this collab file, and I will clone it, and after that I have to start the training. Before that I have to upload my dataset to this file. It is I have used here as a YOLO V5 model. When we got the YOLO V5 custom training, you have to use two separate labels and images folders, and in that you have to use well and train folders, and also tests if you require you can use here. And you have to use the as you know, it has the custom data YAML file, so you have to use it. If you want to zip, then you have to unzip it via only navigating it and put it unzip, and that train data or whatever the name of that zip file, then you can unzip it. After that you can train your model, and you can, after training your model, you can download it to your PC with like this it will train. You only use this for training. You have to use this code, and you can give whatever the epochs, and you have to give to that YAML file, which is this one. I will show you what is inside it. In my dataset I have used only coconut, so it has only one class. it has only one class, it is coconut, and it has one class, and it should be like this for the path of the one. So, and after that you have to give this path to the here for this YOLO official collab file. Then you have to give this. If you use whatever the type, you can use 5n like. After that, finally you can use cache mean it will you can get the speed with, because it will be refreshing every time each epochs. It will be refreshing the cache of the memory. So if you require more speed, so you can use GPU also. And also you can, here I am using 16 batch size, but you can use any other extra reduced batch size also. So in Google Colab, it is using the YOLO V5 Tesla GPU, Tesla T4 GPU. After finishing this one, you can download directly from the your here. You can download your model to the your PC. After finishing, it will give the final model. So here I have downloaded it, and I have renamed it to like this, coconut YOLO Wi-Fi in best, like that. So after that I have cloned this DOM DB repository to my PC, and after that I have install the each required training by this command. Then we can run this one is with this command for real time, but keep in mind, if you using the specification with your PC, it will be different speeds. Then when you count like these coconuts like that, it will be become different speed, and it will be become the sometimes missing, and accuracy will be reduced. So that you have to change the each parameters of here in this DeepSORT parameters. So after this DeepSORT parameters, you can reduce like this. Here you can see the each DeepSORT parameters, the matching threshold and getting threshold, and the maximum number of misses. If you're using one or two objects, then it will be it can be it use 3-4 like that, but here only one object, so it will not require the maximum size of appearance descriptor gallery. It will be not required because it's on coconuts. I'm using coconut. If your object has different types of sizes, then it will be changed. So the main thing, main tracking part is here. This DeepSORT, this config file should be changed according to the here. And also you have to down, if you have used new YOLO v5, so you have to use new YOLO v5 model to repository to here, because it has different than the version different than the which is used here. So after that you can use new one, and inside that same way you have to install the requirements also. So then you can use any new model. You can change it to the YOLO v8, then I will show you next time. It will work with YOLO v8 also with the DeepSORT. So after these settings has done, and first you have done the creating model using your Wi-Fi custom data model using your Wi-Fi collab notebook. If your PC has good specifications and requirements, it has the YOLO requirements, so then if it has YOLO requirements, then you can use it. If not, you can use the Google Colab because it has more than 8 GB RAM for using. So after that you can use this command to the run. If you want to, I am using here on only video. If you want 0, if you remove this and you can put 0, then you will get the real time of camera of the real time component counting which is flowing in the conveyor. So I am using here image size is 320, and you can use confident test also, and also you can use several specifications. I will show you this code. So here you can see the each description, each specifications of them here. Then you can use like this also. Then you will not require any specifications. You can before you put it here the this DeepSORT model, and also you can use this confidence test value. Here default is 0.5, so we can use here 0.6 like that. So next part is the confidence threshold, mean the object confidence value. IOE test, next one is the IOE threshold, which is also for the NMS threshold. And also you can use the saving output of this video using focus and put it your you can use. And also you can use device and show video, save text like that. So then you can create those things. So I didn't done any changes in this code, so same code you can use. You have to do those changes in your PC, in your versions of YOLO, and if you run this, then you will get the result with real time also. So let's see how it is working, and I will show you how the PC working. It means PC requirement, RAM, memory, CPU, and those are how in my PC is working. So then you can get the idea if you're working on real time how it will work. So what are the changes you have to done here in the when you're working in the real time. I'm using the around 6 GB RAM with GPU and CPU of 2.34. You can see here it's counting, and also here you can see the values I have reduced. How much when the component amount is increasing, the values of the CPU, the processing time will be very much high. It is going to the 597 also. So in the real time it will be kind of different. So 613 also going in the millisecond. So you have to change the several specifications also here, then you will reduce like that, which I have done. So I have reduced the values of here, 3 to image size reduce, confidence threshold reduce, like that. I have done several changes. Even I changed the 5n. I use the n model. If you use any other model, it will be more less speed. It means it will be use more time than this. So that's the today I have done. So next part will be I am using same tracking with the YOLO V8 with this same type of component. Then I will show you how to increase how it will increase the each the memory and processing speed, how the different between this one and that ones I will show you. Here you can see, if this is the for this we can use the reducing the amount of coconut which we facing, then it will be give very reduced processing times. Thank you very much for watching my video.